remember in Andy's talk on the Cloud World session where Andy talked about Vodafone, who has 330 million users.
I know.
And they said, we're doing autonomous first. Anything new, they decided to check, see if they could do autonomous. 100% of them went on autonomous. They didn't need to do it. Then they looked at the databases they had, which were 10,000 plus databases. I'm not even sure the guy knew how many he had.
No, I don't know.
It was over 10,000.
When you say or plus?
Yeah. And then they looked at all of them and said, how many could we move to autonomous? It was 30%.
Yeah.
So I just see a lot of work in there. But on the AI side, I think the DBA is a person that autonomous could free up, because you really need somebody who can get that data ready, label that data, clean up that data, fill in missing data, get rid of duplicate data, get data from outside the database, whether it's JSON data, relational, whatever it is. Oracle manages it all, including vectors now, free. What do you think about Larry making vector database free?
It's great. It's the same kind of thing with some of the property graph stuff, knowledge graphs and all that. It's just it's part of it, you know. And it makes Oracle really stand out, because, you know, like outside of the Oracle market, you have like the JSON database or the vector database, or you have the and it really is the
JSON relational duality,
right?
Yeah, JSON relational duality, whether you're doing SQL to relational or using JSON to the JSON. I mean, they put a JSON view there.
I know. It's pretty cool how those guys figure this stuff out, man. Yeah. So the whole converged database thing, people forget about just how awesome that really is. We don't care what data type, we can just do it.
Not just buying all those databases, but how about you have different groups of people that know different things?
Oh, I know. They can actually work together.
Manage different databases. Now they're going to the same database.
That's right. Like a multicultural kind of thing.
Multi-dimensional if we talk about AI. How many dimensions is the right amount for a good AI project? Is it 128? Is it 512? Is it? You said 1,000 yesterday. I was thinking 1,000 dimensions. That's
I know. I love that.
That's going to take a while.
I love sitting there just like, okay, what does that even mean? And it's just floating around in vector space or whatever. Yeah, but that's like the default for like embedding there. It's like 1,024 or something like that. That's a huge amount.
Which is gigantic. And if you think about it, you know, if you want to go on to Netflix or go on to Prime Video, you know, I have, maybe I want a Harrison Ford movie and a science fiction genre, or is that all of them? I don't know. With a certain co-star, third dimension, at a certain time frame, fourth dimension, with a certain director, fifth dimension, with certain music, I'm already up to 6 dimensions to find somewhere in space that Harrison Ford movie that I'm looking for.
And it's even cooler because like we don't even name them when they're in bed. It's just like dimension 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know what they mean. It just does it. It's how it works.
Well, I love something somebody said in an NVIDIA talk once, which was, you're not looking for a needle in a haystack anymore. You're able to find a grain of sand in the universe. I mean, that's amazing.
It is super.
How amazing is that?
And it's so fast too. The embedding stuff in the vector lookup, it's like bam, you know.
Thanks everyone for coming. Have a great time. Good to see you. Thanks for being on the panel.
Oh, I love it.
It was a great panel.
That was super fun.